Ready? Start. Apex Court has held that only a person who is aggrieved by an order can maintain a writ petition. Stop. The expression aggrieved person has been explained by the Apex Court, observing that such a person must show that he has a more particular or peculiar interest of his own beyond that of the general public in seeing that the law is properly administered. Stop. In the said case, a cinema hall owner had challenged the sanction of setting up of a rival cinema hall in the town, contending that it would adversely affect monopolistic commercial interest, causing pecuniary harm and loss of business from competition. Stop. The Honorable Apex Court observed as under colon, such harm or loss is not wrongful in the eye of law because it does not result in injury to a legal right or a legally protected interest, the business competition causing it being a lawful activity. Judicially, harm of this description is called danum sine injuria. Stop. The term injuria being here used in its true sense, reason why law suffers a person knowingly to inflict harm of this description on another without holding him accountable for it is that such harm done to an individual is a gain to society at large. Stop. In the light of the above discussion, it is demonstratively clear that the appellant has not been denied or deprived of a legal right. Stop. He has not sustained injury to any legally protected interest. Stop. In fact, the impugned order does not operate as a decision against him, much less does it wrongfully affect his title to something. He has not been subjected to legal wrong. He has suffered no grievance. He has no legal peg for a justifiable claim to hang on. Therefore, he is not a person aggrieved to challenge the ground of the no objection certificate. Para. In the Northern Plastics Limited versus Hindustan Photo Films Manufacturing Company Limited and others, reported at 1997 4 SCC 452, the Honorable Supreme Court again considered the meaning of person aggrieved and locus of a rival government undertaking and held that a rival businessman cannot maintain a writ petition on the ground that its business prospects would be adversely affected. Stop para. The view taken by us that the petitioner is not a person aggrieved, thus he has no locus standi to file the present writ petition, thereby challenging the order dated 16/3/2009 passed by the Subdivisional Magistrate Jaisinghpur District Sultanpur, is also supported by the decision of this court in the case of Suresh Singh versus Commissioner Muradabad Division, reported at 1993 1 AWC 601, wherein it was held that in an inquiry under section 195G of the UP Panchayati Raj Act 1947, the complainant, who was Up-Pradhan, could be a witness in an inquiry but had no locus standi to approach this court against the order of the state authorities for the reasons that none of his personal statutory rights are affected. Stop para. As such, the petitioner has no focus standi to file the present writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Even otherwise, having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, we are not inclined to exercise our discretionary jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of